How to clear saved passwords on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear saved passwords on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, this one, click on it, and then click this one, settings, and not settings, click this one, history, and then click clear browsing data, and click this one, advanced, and now all you need to do is just click here, turn it on, saved passwords, and then click clear data, and that's how to clear saved passwords on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.